Timon and I always read your comments, and we missed this one. So we immediately decided to fix it. Well guys, on the channel there are a lot of videos with Stretch Armstrong. I've done different things with it, like really, even ordinary stretching, by the way. Be sure to watch these videos. But today the video is not about this, so let's start. Nothing unusual here, just Stretch Armstrong takes a bath. I see it every day. But you know what? I wonder if Stretch Armstrong can take a molten copper bath. Do you think this tough man will cope with this challenge? What are your bets? And yes, let's find it out. That is incredible. Did you guys see that? Is it even possible Stretch Armstrong has coped with molten copper? Well, mostly coped. Molten copper just gave him a ton. Oh man, incredible. A real invincible toy. Like for sure. Just look at this. Well, you remember, I will show in my next videos the most crazy unusual ideas for my next experiments, so be sure to share your thoughts. And that's it for today. Don't forget to like this video and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Leave your comments below and take care.